and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you something quick and very easy. It's a side dish, pineapple side dish in fact. I'll call it pineapple salsa. I love these flavors when you have a little bit of savory mixed with sweet, and for me spicy is just the cherry on top. Delicious. So I'm gonna basically not include, because I think in other recipes when you might see out there, you're gonna see probably sugar or honey added to the recipe. You might see oil, but for obvious reasons I will not include oil for sure. But when it comes to pineapple, not even pineapple, any other fruit, what happens is sometimes you buy it and it's not as sweet as you expected. In that case, I would strongly recommend adding a little bit of sweetness in maybe just agave nectar or sugar or honey, whichever you like. In my recipes, my pineapple, lucky enough, was extremely sweet, delicious. That lime juice just made it so good. So let's grab the ingredients, let's go over them and start chopping. I'm going to need a cilantro, 1 medium red bell pepper, 1 lime, and 1 serrano pepper or any spicy pepper you like. Jalapeno would be great. 1/4 of a medium red onion, or as much as you like, and half of this nice pineapple. List of ingredients you're gonna find below in the description or on my website as well. So I'm going to start with squeezing lime into a large bowl. And you can, before you start squeezing the lime, you can zest it and add it there. I forgot to do it ahead of time, so you don't see it on the video. I did it a later time. I highly recommend it. It's really, really good. Now I'm gonna chop red onion very, very finely. Drop it into the bowl, and I'm gonna use only the cilantro leaves, not the stems. Next, I like serrano peppers here because they are spicier than jalapeno. So if you prefer a bit milder salsa, jalapeno would be a better choice for you. And chop it very finely. Next, red bell pepper. Small diced pieces here. And now the star of the show, pineapple. I will only use half of it and store the rest in the fridge for later use. So I'm going to cut the ends off of it, and then in order to peel it, you just basically run your knife all around it, making sure that you remove the little brown holes, I would say, all the tough pieces, and cut it in half, and then another half so you can remove the core from the inside. It's pretty tough, it's pretty hard, you don't want to use it. And here you just dice it in whatever size of pineapple you want. After all, it is the most important ingredient here. Now, next, I'm gonna put some black pepper and some salt, and at this moment you can add some sweetness if you prefer it sweeter, or maybe your pineapple was not sweet enough. So you can add honey, you can add sugar, agave nectar, whatever you like, and if you're a calorie freak like I am, you can add a sweetener as well. Right now I'm gonna toss it all together and cover it with either a plate or a plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator for probably at least an hour. A couple of hours, 3 hours would be even better, so the flavors can marinate there. So I served this side dish with sauté spinach. rice and mahi fish and a side of asparagus. If you tried this recipe, what did you serve it with? Leave a comment below. And I will see you on the next one. Enjoy!